Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to study the 7th class topics, that is fraction and decimals. In these topics we already studied what are the type of fractions. Here we are studying the some exercise based on the fractions. Oh, dear students, we are here solving exercise 2.1. So let us start here. First one, solve. Here 2 minus 3 by 5. Here 2 is whole number and 3 by 5 is fractional. And the subtractions of these two numbers we can multiply 2 and 5 by cross multiplication. Here this can be written as 2 by 1, and when we cross multiply then we get 2 into 5. Fine? Because 1 and 5 are prime numbers, then we can directly by cross multiplying the numbers we get 2 into 5 minus 3, and the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. And here you see 10 minus 3 upon 5, that is equal to 7 by 5. Dear students, you see here the answer, required answer is 7 by 5. We will take one more example here. You see next example. Watch this video and see carefully whether it is understand. Second, we are here second problem, that is 4 plus 7 by 8. Here this 4 can be written as 4 by 1 in rational form, and 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. 1 and 8 are the co-prime numbers. Here also we can, by cross multiplying the 4 and 8, 1 and 7, and taking the LCM of the 1 and 8, we get 4 8 are 4 into 8 plus 1 into 7 upon 1 into 8, that is equal to 32 plus 7 upon 8. Dear student, here 39 divided by 8. This is improper fraction. Therefore, this can be converted into mixed form. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32, and 7 by 9 is fractional form. Therefore, our required answer is 7 by 9. I hope it is clear to you. Another example, we have the third example here, that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7 5 here also 5 and 7 they are prime number, and by cross multiplication this can be written as 3 into 7, 5 into 2, and the LCM of 5 and 7 that is equal to 5 into 7. See, 7 3s are 21, 10 divided by 35. Here you see, we are getting here proper fraction. 21 and 10 that is equal to 31 divided by 35. That is our answer here, dear students. You see, carefully, and we will take another example, that is 9 by 11, 9 by 50, 11 minus 4 by 15. You see here, 11 and 15 they are the prime numbers, co-prime numbers, that is equal to 135. 15 9 the 135 minus 11 4 the 44, and this can be LCM of 165. You see here, 11 5 are 55, 11 in the 11, and 11 plus 5 that is equal to 165. When we subtract this number from 35, we get here 1. Here how much? 30 minus 4, that is 91 divided by 165. Dear students, you see here 91 divided by 165 is our answer. And we'll take the next example, that is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here, dear student, you see 3 fractions are there. We can, here we have to take the LCM of the 10, 5, 2. What is the LCM of 10, 5, 2? The LCM of 10, 5, 2 is 10. LCM, the greatest number is 10, and 5 to 10 are in the times of 10. Therefore, the LCM, that is LCM of 10, 5 to is 10. Therefore, after taking LCM here, 10 1 10, quotient is 1. When we multiply 7, that quotient, we get 7 1 7 plus 5 2 are 10. 2 is quotient here. We have to multiply 2 by 2. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 is the quotient here. We have to multiply this 3 by 5. Why? Quotient is 5. Next, 7 1 7 plus 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15 divided by 10. Now see here, 7, 4 and 15. They are 7 plus 4, 11, 11 and 15, that is equal to 26 by 10. 26 by 10. This can be written as 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Why? When we this fraction cancelled by 2, then we get 13 by 5. Therefore, this 13 by 5 is proper fraction or improper fraction? This one is improper fraction and it can be converted into mixed form, that is 5 to the 10, 3, 5. 2, 3/5 is the required answer. Next, we will see the sum of the mixed form. What is mixed form? Combination of whole number and fractional form is called mixed form. Here, one example is here, that is 2/3 plus 3 1 by 2. You just see here, this can be converted into fractional form. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8 by 3 plus 2 3 the 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now 3 and 2, these are the co-prime number and they are prime. Then with that number we can here by cross multiplication 2 8 the 16 plus 3 7 the 21. 3 7 the 21. We get here 3 to the 6. Then what is the addition of 21 and 16? That is equal to 37 divided by 6. We get here improper fraction and that can be converted into mixed form. 6 6 are 36 and 1 by 6 is our correct answer. To dear student, such type of questions you collect from your notebook and solve and do practice more and more. Now we will take one more example here. Arrange the following number in descending order. Arrange the following number in descending order. You see here 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is one fraction. 2/3 and 8 by 21 is the fraction. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So dear student, look at the solutions. Here we have to LCM. We have to find the LCM 9, 3 and 21. The LCM of 9, 3, 21, you already know that is 63. Then the 9, 3, 21, 63. We can convert this fraction into denominator as 63. 9 sevens are 2 by 9. 9 sevens are 63. 2 sevens are. Here we have to multiply this denominator by 21. 2 by 3 into 21 into 21. Here 8 by we have to multiply this number by 3 by 3. Now you see, we get here 14 by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. Now, this denominator is equal on the basis of the numerator. We can easily find out the descending order. Well, let us start from here. Descending order. Which number will come first here? Descending order 42. 42 by 63. Then 24 by 63. Then 14 by 63. This is our correct answer. Now, ascending order. If we ask the ascending order, then we can write this number first 14 by 63. Then 24 by 63, 42 by 63. So dear students, it is very clear to you such type of questions you collect and solve for the well practice. Thank you.